This is a new 2014 Ford Explorer, powered by front-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter, six-cylinder engine, and a six-speed automatic transmission. The features include leather seats, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Ford Sync, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, remote start, memory seats, a premium sound system, premium rims. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, side airbags, second and third row head airbags, independent suspension, traction control, stability control. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Valley Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 111 Auto Lane, Sparta, Tennessee 38583.